Hi everybody, good afternoon. I've just started this new painting of these dear little birds. Look at them, and they're so cute, nestling in that beautiful rose. So I've sketched it all out, and I'm using Liquitex acrylic ink this time, and I've treated myself to some of the sweetest of brushes. Look at that, I don't know if you can see it, how tiny the nib of that is, which makes it easier for me to do all the delicate drawing with the ink. So yeah, really enjoying it and look forward to seeing how it's going to come out.